Officer Tom Callahan smirked when he saw her. Just a teenager in flat shoes and a school blazer, striding into the courtroom like it was a school debate club, no attorney at her side, no parent in the audience, just her. He leaned back, arms crossed, and muttered under his breath, "This'll be over fast." He had no clue he was witnessing the beginning of his own downfall. Sophia Carter didn't seem like a threat. 17, glasses sliding down her nose, hair pulled into a tight bun. Yet, she moved with the steady precision of someone who'd already read the story's ending while everyone else was stuck on the first page. She faced charges of obstructing justice and interfering with police procedure after speaking out during an arrest outside her high school. Callahan, a Phoenix officer with a record of hostility, had slammed her classmate Marcus face-first into a fence. Sophia hadn't laid a hand on anyone, she'd only asked, "What are you doing?" and started filming. That was enough for Callahan to slap cuffs on her, push her into a squad car and write her up, another loudmouthed East Side kid put in her place. But Sophia had something more dangerous than a law degree. She had time and a purpose. While Callahan assumed she'd take a plea deal, Sophia was constructing a case. Every night, after her mom's shifts at the VA hospital, she cleared the kitchen table and opened her binder. It grew from a few sheets to a 3-inch thick stronghold, complete with color-coded tabs, annotated laws, public case records, lies marked in red, contradictions in blue. She taught herself legal terminology, memorized cross-examination frameworks, and rehearsed her opening statements so often her borrowed tablet overheated. She even called legal aid hotlines under a false name to eavesdrop on how real lawyers tackled excessive force cases. Her mantra, scribbled on a sticky note above her desk: "Don't try to sound smart, try to sound certain." By the time trial day arrived, she wasn't just hoping to win, she was ready to expose. The courtroom was fuller now. Teachers showed up, Marcus sat with his mom, and a reporter from the Phoenix Star-News lingered in the back. Still, Callahan wasn't fazed. Why would he be? He'd seen kids like her crumble in hours. But he hadn't met someone like Sophia, prepared down to the second. Her opening was soft, clear, and devastating. "I'm not a lawyer and I won't act like one, but I know what I saw and more importantly, I know what I lived." Then she began slicing. Cross-examining Callahan like a veteran, she asked, "Was I a threat to you, sir? You were yelling I couldn't focus, that I was 12 feet away, is that correct?" When she played the video, audio shaky but undeniable, her voice rang out, firm yet not aggressive, calm yet not confrontational. Callahan's testimony cracked like brittle ice. She submitted timestamps, dissected body language, pointed out inconsistencies between the police report and the footage, and then turned to the judge. "I'm not just arguing my innocence. I'm asking the court to see a pattern of overreaction, of targeting those who ask questions. I'm not his first stop, just the first one who brought a binder." The room fell silent. You could hear a pin drop. The judge called a recess. When he returned, his tone had shifted. He ordered a formal review of Callahan's conduct, including past complaints. No cheers followed, just a long exhale from Sophia Carter, as if she'd finally set down a heavy burden. A week later, her story appeared in a few think pieces. School board members started debating police presence on campuses. She began receiving calls, mentorship offers from black attorneys, college resources, mock trial scholarships. But Sophia wasn't chasing viral fame. She cared about clarity, about choice. One afternoon, her history teacher called her in and slid a folder across the desk. "There's a summer program at Grand Canyon University, law exposure, mock trials. They only take 20 students. I submitted your name." She opened the folder, didn't cry, didn't smile, just nodded. They thought she came to defend herself, but Sophia Carter came to uncover the truth. And when truth walks in, wearing a navy blazer and glasses, it doesn't ask for permission. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unity Voice Chronicles. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers together and keep sharing stories that inspire change and celebrate resilience.